Alright, so I forgot about this, I was gonna mention. So the way I downloaded IoT LTSC was downloading it from Massgrave, which basically just takes the ISOs that are given through volume licensing. So if you are a prude and you don't want to do that because there may be Chinese spyware installed in them, even though they verify the hashes, so you should be pretty sure that you have a genuine file. But let's say you were actually paranoid and you didn't want to use any third-party ISOs, which I totally understand. I've been using this tool for a while. This is called UUP dump. So what UUP dump is it is a script that downloads the latest version of Windows from Microsoft's update servers and compiles it into a usable ISO, like an installable ISO. So it's a bit tricky to use if you don't know what you're doing, but this is the screen you'll end up at. The latest version of LTSC is 21H2, so you want to go down from, I don't know, I will go back. So this is the main page. So you go to Windows 10 21H2, and then you pick an update, which is the first one, x64 is probably what you want. If you really want ARM64, you can do that too. But then you choose Pro because what's listed here is what edition you require for the other edition. And what you want is IoT Enterprise. So what I usually do is I check all these boxes because .NET Framework 3.5 doesn't seem to integrate very well. It's kind of hard to install for some reason. So you probably want that. You want, I use ESD compression, you don't really need it. Component cleanup and install updates, it's fine. And then you want to do download and add additional additions. My bad, I unchecked it. So you want IoT Enterprise, and then you create download package. It's going to this is going to download a package, and I believe you need Windows in order to build this. I don't know if it works on Linux yet, but in case you can, you'll be able to run a Linux script here, and it should build, but I think it was because Windows 11 required a specific version of Windows to build. But Windows 10 may not have that problem. So if you're on Linux and you decide you want to run IoT LTSC for something, you need Windows for whatever reason, you're able to download it not from a third party, but through Microsoft directly. Now licensing it, that's going to be the problem because obviously it is a volume license, but it does support KMS and digital license, so you're able to use hardware activation. And you should just be able to download it and install it. You should be good. Alright, so that's all I wanted to say is if you're really sketched out about downloading a third-party ISO, there is a way to get it first party. There you go. Thanks.